Every October, we honor a tradition of invention and creativity. At Protocase, Halloween isn't a costume, it's part of who we are. It begins with a vision, an idea taking shape. 59 sheet metal parts, precision cut to fit together. In our production facilities, time only moves forward. Laser cutting, deburring, and welding bring this Halloween idea to life. From flat sheet to a three-dimensional structure, from fragments to form, every piece connects. Every seam carries intention. What was once raw material now stands dimensional, an embodiment of our unique high-velocity mass customization. And then, it awakens. A three-dimensional skull precisely formed from 59 sheet metal parts. Every surface telling a story, the attention to detail, and the imagination of the engineers who brought it to life. Each Halloween, every project, every prototype reminds us why we build, to transform ideas into reality, to create a testament to our customers' own creativity and of the spirit of innovation that drives us. Here, ingenuity and high-velocity mass customization meet. Alive, dimensional, and unmistakably Protocase.